I knew that it's not for riding, but I came over just specially for the ride today. Kidding, kidding aside of the food that I ate, that I wasn't full, I love that Persian food and Indian food over there in Seoul Tower. It was a more of a like the Sima restaurant, CYMA restaurant in the um in the Mediterranean restaurant in the Robinson's Place, Manila, and I really love it that I included myself to be able to have my food over there. Riding a boat were extra special today